What up, guys? It's your boy Chok Zeru from FTM Music Challenge, and today we are unboxing the Orico sound adapter. You can call it as well. You can say sound card. So this Orico version or model is called SK2T. I mean SKT2. Now you use this Orico sound card to plug in your laptop or desktop PC or Mac as well, in order for your sound to be a quality, because some laptops come with one port for earphones and the microphone as well, so you can't make music. Now, to plug and use this, inside you will find the manual. The manual will give you directions, but it's written mostly in Chinese, and most of us can't read Chinese. So I will briefly explain. Now, let's take it out. Okay, this is out now. This is the USB part. You plug in your laptop or desktop. And then this is the earphones and your microphone part, or you can call them headphones. So this side, you only put your earphones, and this side you only put your microphone. And there's a color coding as well, so you don't get them switched. Now, this will help you make your sound better. And in the next video, we'll be showing you how to plug these and which type of microphones you can use. By the way, Orico you can buy from Take a Lot. Take a Lot is online. You can Google them and find them, and then you pay online, and then they will deliver to your door. Thank you.